Heyo, what's up, guys? What's going on? Welcome to True Trading Group YouTube channel. Recaps on the day. It's a big day for us inside True Trading Group. Two more triple-digit gains, which brings our total for the month up to 26. A 27-point move capitalized and captured on futures today on the MES. And also a massive short squeeze. Almost was 1,000% runner on VVOS today. A lot of crazy action. Also a pullback day in the markets. Finally, we got a little bit of a pullback here. I got something hanging from my hat. We're going to recap. We're going to talk about all these trades from the day. We're going to talk about all the action. We're going to talk about what I expect from this market over the next couple of days, where I plan on making money in the days to come. We've got earnings out, Snowflake, Salesforce, lots to discuss, lots to talk about. Folks, my name is Michael Edward Parinati. I go by Michael Edward. I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group. We are a 2023 Benzinga FinTech Awards finalist for Best Data Analysis Tool. We're also the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that combines university level and professional trading and investing courses, premium stock market tools, live workshops, individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, crypto. We also have a futures program. We do day trading, swing trading, and also long-term investing. There's literally something for everybody at True Trading Group. But you see, we take that university curriculum, which is a simplified version of a training program that I went through when I worked at a fund in New York City. We literally worked on Wall Street. William and Wall Street was where I got my trading start. You guys are going to get a simplified version of that training when you guys join True Trading Group. But we also give you access to $5,000 to $6,000 worth of tools from some of the top companies that are out there. These are like Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, congressional trading data, insider trading, a simulator, trading views charts, the trade idea scanner, unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data, analyst ratings, a trading journal, so much more. Yes, you get our courses. Yes, you get our trade alerts. There's 9 professional traders with you during the day. You get all of our trade alerts and courses, of course, but you also get these tools. We set you up with every single thing you need to have the very best chance of becoming successful for one affordable price for the entire year. But I'm not talking to you today about an annual membership. I'm not talking to you today. I'm not trying to sell you a membership. I want to just spend this time with you guys on this video recap to talk about what happened in the markets, go over the trades that we hit on today. If you guys caught my live stream yesterday, I did a live. I go live several times during the week. This is a recap video, but I do go live several times a week. And I told you guys yesterday that I'm looking for a pullback in the markets, that if you got a gap up into this resistance level that I'll show you in just a moment, I'm going to get short. I told you yesterday I was going to get short. It's exactly what we did today. Short on the futures, 45.93. And we end up getting out of that position at 45.66 for a 27-point move on futures. So congratulations, all of my members in True Trading Group for capitalizing on that move today with me on futures. For those of you that just caught the live stream, if you're not a member, hopefully maybe you guys were able to capitalize on that as well. If you'd like to join our trial membership, you guys certainly can. Our trial it's 7 days. It's 7 trading days. It's not 7 calendar days. It's 7 trading days. And you guys can come trade with myself and the 9 professional trading mods that are with you during the day and be part of a community of over 10,000 people from 115 different countries by going to ttgthree.com. That's ttg3 spelt out.com. Just enter your name, email, phone number, click yes, I want this, fill out the form, and then pay the $3 and you can join our trial. The reason why we charge you $3 is just to make sure that you're a real person. You see, we maintain a very high quality chat room. There are thousands of people that come through our chat room every single day. I don't want someone coming into our chat, spamming a bunch of nonsense, being disruptive and distracting from people that are trying to make money. So we charge $3 just to make sure you're a real person. It is a one-time payment. There's no automatic renewal. There is no automatic upgrade. Your trial doesn't automatically turn into an annual membership and your auto build. None of that funny business. It's 7 days. It's $3. It's a one-time payment. Less than you spend at Starbucks for a cup of coffee. I guarantee it'll be the best damn $3 you ever spent in your life. And instead of you watching recaps, you guys can trade these trades with me live and with the other moderators in chat live. Like I said, 2 more triple-digit gains today called out in chat. Swing trades, Carnival Cruise Line, DraftKings was the triple-digit call options. That brings us to a total of 26 for the month of November, which is our best month ever. Just so you guys are aware, that's our best month ever. Prior to this month, our best month was October, which was 20 triple-digit gains. This month we have surpassed that, which was our new company record is 26 triple digit gains now in the month of November. And we've got one more day to go. And I'm looking to see if we can maybe squeak out another one or two. We'll see. We'll see what tomorrow brings us. But a beautiful day for us inside of chat today. So if you guys want to trade with us, go join the trial, ttgthree.com. Name, email, phone number, click yes, I want this. And don't be shy. Like when you come in, ask questions, talk to members, talk to the professional traders, talk to the moderators, send me a message, say what's up. Let me know you guys are here from the YouTube channel. I'll answer any questions you have. I'll obviously, talk about whatever positions that I'm in and anything that you're looking at. I'll give you my analysis and we can talk about it. All right. So enjoy your time with us for your trial membership. See what it's like to, be part of the TTG community. All right. Let's talk about overall markets today, guys. This is the resistance level that I want to show you. All right. I talked about it on the live stream yesterday. There it is. This is an absolute brick wall of a resistance level. And this resistance level goes all the way back right here. You can see all that resistance there from 2022 prior to the markets having their big sell-off. That was a huge level of resistance. That was a huge level of resistance in July. And then we got up to that level today. You can see the high of the day today. As I zoom this in, you can see right there, see the top tail right there into that resistance level. So this morning off the open, you know what? This is, I don't have the futures on my, this is TC2000, which is the charting software that I use. I trade through Lightspeed. I also with futures have a NinjaTrader account for my futures, but I trade my equities through Lightspeed. TC2000 is my charting software that I use. I love TC2000 for my charting. But I use this. This is for equities. I actually don't have my Ninja account that's for the charts open right now. It's whatever. It doesn't matter. I'll just show you guys what you're looking at on the SPY. Just it's the same, the numbers are different, but the levels are the same. So what you're looking at here, you can see the SPY. We push so right up here early in the morning. This is that resistance level that I just showed you on the daily chart. That's the same level. I didn't touch it, right? So there's your daily chart. Right there it is. All right, I'm not touching that level. So this morning when we had the big gap up, I stepped in. Okay, I stepped in and I went after the MES. Okay, not ES, MES, which are the minis. Okay, and I got short at 45.93, and then this thing just absolutely rolled out of bed. And we broke down. We got to the low of the day. I took one piece of profit off here, second piece of profit off here, 45.86, 45.81, and then 45.66 was the final take profit for me. 3 take profits on the way out. So one entry, 45.93, 45.86, 45.81, and 45.66 for final take profits there for me. On the futures. That's a 27-point move on futures, capitalized there on that final take. Beautifully done. A lot of members were able to capitalize on this. You can see we got a little bit more downside late in the afternoon, right going into the close. So maybe left a little bit of money on the table there, but very pleased with a 27-point move on that final take. I'll take that any day of the week. Beautifully done. So like I said, guys, we trade everything in True Trading Group. We trade stocks, we trade options, we trade crypto, we trade futures. There's 9 professional traders. We all trade different things. We all have different styles. So we day trade, we swing trade. That was a day trade, obviously, but 2 swing trades that we're taking profit on today, which were for triple digit gains. One of them was Carnival Cruise Lines. This is a swing trade that Andrea Weber, one of our other professional trading mods, who's been trading professionally since 2009. You guys can see that this is what I am showing you guys here on Carnival Cruise Lines. We had the gap up today and the big extension, and she just started ripping profits off. This is a swing trade. She's been in this trade for about 2 days. And right off the open, you got this big, huge extension. She starts ripping profits off the table there on the Carnival Cruise Line position. That was over 100% gain on that. That's a swing trade. Like I said, if you guys, if you're not sitting in front of your computer screen all day long, it's fine. I get it. I don't expect you. You guys have busy lives. You have jobs, and 82% of the members in True Trading Group work over 40 hours a week. They have full-time jobs. The rest of them are full-time traders or retired. And the people that have full-time jobs are able to still capitalize on everything that we do inside True Trading Group because of implementing a trading style that works for them, right? If you are teaching a classroom full of 10-year-olds, or you're, a police officer, or you are working at a construction site, you can't sit in front of a computer screen and make 50, 100 trades all day long. You guys can't do that. So you need to implement a trading style that's gonna work for you, which would be swing trading. And we have many swing trading professional traders that are in your trading group that lead through, give you all their entries. Andrea gave you the entry on Carnival Cruise Line a couple of days ago for the call option. It was the 1450 call, and this thing absolutely ripped. 1530 today was the high of the day on the stock, and that gave you an over 100% gain on the call option. So download our mobile app when you join our trial. Okay. So when you join the trial, make sure you download the mobile app so that even if you're not in front of your computer, you can follow along with what we're doing. All right. So you'll get real-time push notifications sent to your phone without delay. Real-time push notifications when our professional traders, when our mods enter and exit their positions. So you could be sitting there at work, typing away, you're, on a conference call, whatever, you get a notification. You look at it. It says, okay, Mike just bought, or Mike just shorted Meta, right? Okay. You can log into your account. Okay. You can, buy put options on Meta, set your stop loss, put your phone down, go back to work. Then let's say 2 hours later, you get another notification. Oh, Mike took profit on Meta. Open up your E-Trade account, your Webull, your Robinhood, whatever, your Thinkorswim, take profit, adjust your stop loss, put your phone down, go back to work, right? So make sure that this way you can take advantage of your 7-day trial with us. Remember, it's 7 trading days. It's not 7 calendar days. All right. So make sure you download. It's for iPhone and Android. So when you join the trial, make sure you guys download the mobile app. All right. That's how you can follow along with everything that we do during the day. Aside from Carnival Cruise Lines, also DraftKings. This was just an absolute steal. Stepped in yesterday and bought right in here on DraftKings call options and got a beautiful gap up this morning, which also led to an over 100% gain on the call option itself. So these are the type of trades that if you guys are busy working full-time jobs that you can implement yourself. This is our 26th triple-digit gain traded, alerted, and capitalized on inside True Trading Group in the month of November. Just absolutely incredible. Let's talk about some earnings today. All big monster movers. We got earnings. Snowflake. Snowflake's a company that I love. If you guys have been following my YouTube channel for a while, you know that this is one of the stocks in my long-term portfolio. I got to tell you something. My long-term portfolio, I am so incredibly, if you're watching this for the first time, you guys don't know because I've talked about this stuff for years. But if you're a longtime viewer of the YouTube channel, then, you guys know that there's a handful of stocks that I've been talking about for years. It's been AMD, NVIDIA, Meta, Microsoft, Snowflake, Palo Alto, Salesforce. These are stocks that I've been talking about for Adobe. I've been talking, Broadcom. These are stocks that I've been talking about for the last 3 years. Whenever somebody would ask me, Mike, hey, long-term portfolio, I'm like, here's my favorite. Here's my list of my favorite names. Obviously I have Amazon, I have Apple, I have, Alphabet. Obviously, we have all of those as well. But as far as some of my favorites, they're just performing so incredibly well. And Snowflake is in my favorites. I know the stock is up 9.5%. I'm not overly excited about it though, because I want to buy more of this stock. I do actually think the stock moves back to the downside next year. And that's going to allow me to buy more, hopefully. I bought my first position in Snowflake in June of last year at around $117. I damn near almost bottom ticked this thing. The stock went all the way down to went as low as 111. And I'm in this thing from 117. So now it's trading up at 188. But I want to buy more of it. And I'm going to hold this for the next 10 years. But anyway, let's just, I think that there's still plenty of time for people to position themselves in Snowflake for where, fast forward 5-10 years from now, I think you're talking about, a $500 stock easy. I like the stock. I like the management and I have no problem buying more. I just want to buy more at a lower price. But let's talk about what the earnings came out. Stock's moving higher. And let's go through it. Earnings per share, 25 cents. That's a beat. Again, 16 cents was the estimate. And then sales, big beat, 734 million versus 713 million expectation. So a nice solid beat there on earnings. And here is here's the kicker. Their Q4 revenue, they're expecting Q4 revenue to be 716 to 721 million. That's up 29 to 30% year over year. And they see fiscal year 24, 2.65 billion. That's up 37% year over year. So all good things. on the earnings front for Snowflake, and that's got the stock up 9.5%. What I will say to you is I don't think you need to chase this stock, right? I see big time resistance up here in the 195 to 205. This area that you see right here on my chart, I think is a huge level of resistance. So like if the stock pushes into this region, I expect that to be a resistance zone, and I actually expect the stock to pull back a little bit off that level. So I don't think you necessarily need to chase the name. I'm not chasing it, but it is in the long-term portfolio from much lower prices, and I will look to add more with a market pullback next year if I'm correct about that. Salesforce up 10%. This thing is ripping. Let's give you the numbers here on Salesforce earnings. Here we go. Q3 earnings per share, $2.11 versus $2.06. Revenue, $8.72 billion versus $8.728 billion estimate. So they actually missed on revenue. However, it's all about the guidance. So they missed on this previous quarter, but next quarter, they're thinking they're going to absolutely crush. Salesforce sees their next Q4, $2.25 to $2.26 earnings per share. That's against a $1.98 expectation. And check out this revenue number. They expect 9.18 to 9.23 billion versus analyst expectations of 8.4. Check out fiscal year 24. They expect earnings per share of $8.18 compared to $7.35 estimate. And check out this revenue number. This is why the stock is up 10%. 34.75 to 34.8 billion versus analyst expectations of 31.75. Salesforce said during Cyber Week, Commerce Cloud powered nearly 50 million orders on digital storefronts with 100% uptime. That's coming from the company's conference call that's ongoing literally right now. Okay, so that's just a feed that came through there just 10 minutes ago from our Benzinga Pro news feed, which you guys have access to when you join our trial. So you guys will actually get the Benzinga Pro real-time news feed, as well as a handful of our other tools when you guys join our trial. So you guys get to use this stuff when you guys do join the trial. So don't forget ttgthree.com. That's, the best damn $3 you guys have ever spent in your life. Not only are you going to be trading with us for a full 7 days, you're going to be able to use all these tools. Okay. That's ttgthree.com, ttg3.com. Enter your name, email, phone number. Click yes, I want this. Just fill out the application, and then pay the $3. One-time payment. Again, I can't stress this enough. It's a one-time payment. It's no auto renew. There is no reoccurring payment. There is no automatic upgrade. It's a one-time payment of just $3, and you guys can then join the TTG fam for a full 7 trading days. The weekend, you don't have to worry about Saturday and Sunday. Right? Don't wait till Monday to join the trial. Join the trial right now. Trade with us for the next 2 days. You got PCE inflation data coming out, the jobless claims coming out. Okay. So trade with us for the next 2 days. And then Saturday and Sunday don't count against your 7 days. And you have the whole week next, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday with us next week. So do that trial, guys. ttgthree.com. We've also got this VVOS. I'll just talk about this just real quickly. One lesson I want to talk to you guys about. A lot of our members call it the short squeeze here in the afternoon, but this is a textbook afternoon short squeeze setup. I just want to give you one lesson. When you see a small cap stock that is strong in the morning, meaning it makes a really strong move higher in the morning, which is what exactly you saw here, right? Big gap up, huge move early. When you see that and the stock consolidates and holds a key support level all throughout lunchtime. Now you can see lunchtime is from 12 to 2 Eastern. So if you break the day up into 3 different categories, the morning session, which is 9:30 to 12, okay? And then you have the afternoon session, which is 12 to 2. When you see this big move up in the morning, sideways action during lunch, on a small cap specifically, the chances of a continued move higher in the afternoon session, which is from 2 to 4, the chances of a move higher in the afternoon are significantly higher. Okay, that is textbook afternoon short squeeze setup. So just a quick lesson there on small caps for my small cap traders. We trade small caps too, right? We had a lot of people trading VVOS today inside of True Trading Group. Was an absolute monster. We actually had a bunch of members who actually had their best trade ever. So VVOS today for a handful of members was actually their biggest P&L trade ever. So congratulations, those of you. Also, my boy Sack. I don't know if you're. I know Sack was one of them. One of our phenomenal small cap traders that we have inside True Trading. We have many. But I know he had their biggest trade, I believe, ever on VVOS today. So congratulations, shout out to him. But yeah, that's it. It's a quick little lesson there, guys, on VVOS. Great trading today, 27 points on futures. You had triple-digit gains on 2 swing trades from today. And then you've got that VVOS little lesson there for you guys to take with you. Some great earnings, Salesforce, Snowflake. I love it. What I'm looking for from the market, guys, is actually continued pullback. I don't think the market is done with this pullback. I said to you on the live stream yesterday that I'm looking for a 2 to 3% pullback in the market over the next week or so. So I do believe that after this rejection up there at that resistance level, I do believe that we're going to get, and this doesn't have to necessarily happen tomorrow. But I do think that we're going to get a pullback that takes us down into this level and at least get back to like 448, 449 or so. And then the markets try to find their footing there. So I'm just looking for, I'm not looking for a crash. I'm just looking for a tradable pullback off of a major resistance level after the market has experienced a huge rally in the month of November. Let's just cool off, give me a 2%, 3% pullback, find your footing, and then give you a Santa Claus rally going into the end of the year. That's what I think that's how I think this year plays itself out. I will obviously update you guys along the way and throughout the rest of the year. My members, don't forget, at the end of this year, you're going to get my outlook report for 2024. That is something I do for members every single year where I tell them what my outlook is for the market, what sectors I think are going to outperform, what stocks within those sectors that I'm buying myself in the long-term portfolio. I do it every year. Did it last year. It was about a 16-page report. And that will be coming out again at the end of this year for next year, my members. That's coming. So we got one more month to go. Well, we got one trading day in November tomorrow, and then we got one more month to go, month of December. I think it's going to be a great month. It's been a great year. It's been a great month. Let's finish November off with a bang. Get your butts in chat. Let's close out a record-breaking month for True Trading Group. Let's close it out together. TTGTHREE.com. Name, email, phone number. Click yes, I want this. Fill out the form. Pay the $3. It's a one-time payment. Get your butts in chat. I'll see you guys there. Have a great rest of your night. Smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications. Make sure you guys never miss out on any of these videos. I'll see you all later. Have a great night.